Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today is my Walmart beauty unboxing. I believe this is a summer box. For some reason, I have two. I don't know how that happened, but we're going to go with it. They're probably the same thing, so we're just going to roll with it. The first box, and there is a storm coming in, so in case you hear thunder, it may start raining, and I'm filming outside. Okay. Why am I so confused about how to open this? Okay, cool. So this is Walmart Beauty. It is a it's a quarterly subscription box. It's like $5, and they send you stuff that they sell at Walmart to introduce you to new things or have you try things that they've been carrying for a while. Ooh, cool. First thing is the Listerine Ready Tabs, and these are chewable tablets for fresh breath. You know, whole mouth clean, feeling on the go. Oh. Information for the sunscreen that I didn't open yet. Okay, Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. Very nice for these hot Texas summers. I probably won't use the 50 because I prefer a tan. I might use it under my eyes so that the rest of my face can get as dark as my bags, but you know. Next thing, I'm going to try this. Get this. The Revlon Color Stay Eyeliner Pencil in black. Nice fine tip with a smudger, I think. Yep, with a smudger. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I've been doing more makeup lately, so not today because I just got out of the shower. And I'm off today and I'm relaxing, but before that, I've been doing more makeup, so yeah, that'll come in handy. The next thing is the John Frieda Frizzies Dream Curls. Ooh, sulfate-free conditioner. Yay! Sulfate-free. Now, does it have any Shazzy Curls for wavy and curly hair with rose hip oil? Very nice. I'm going to look a little bit harder at the ingredients a little bit later. Okay. Two more things. One more thing? Two more things. Two more things. The Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. This will be nice. This doesn't even look like there's anything in here, but I'm sure there is. It's a scrub, so I can keep this in the shower. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. It's clear. That's why it doesn't look like there's anything in there. Okay, daily scrub gently exfoliates with microfine particles to reveal radiant-looking skin. Cleanses without overdrying. We're going to try that. And the last thing is the Alma Love Yourself Lip Vibes. Almay, sorry. This is a lipstick or lip balm? Oh, the color is Love Yourself. And I'm guessing it's this color. So let's go ahead and pop this baby open. I am so hungry and also very tired. And I'm not a nature fan. I do like this outside patio, and I wish I could show you the storm that I see coming in. I'm gonna take a huge nap after I eat. I'm debating on bacon and eggs or bacon and pancakes. Depends on how tired I feel after filming this second box, which is probably gonna be the same thing. So some people might give some gifts of stuff. Ooh, this is pretty. This natural light is everything. Oh, this is pretty. I can't wait to use this. Masked down. Yes, yes, yes. Fully vaccinated. No masks outside. A lot of stores are already stopping the mask thing, but I do carry one with me just in case. Okay, that's all that's in the first box. Let's see what's in the second box. Probably the same thing, and there's a wasp. Oh my god. Yep, exactly the same thing. Why I have two boxes, I'm not sure. But that is a big old wasp, and he's like doing whatever he's doing right now. So I have two boxes, exactly the same stuff. And there's a wasp, and I have to go. Thank you for watching. Not even 5 minutes. This lipstick is the bomb, though. And these Listerine tabs are going to be awesome. Chewables on the go. I can share the eyeliner. I have some other people who have curly hair, so I can share this. The SPF 50 and the face scrub I can also share. So it's one to keep and one to give. Yay! Okay, thank you again for watching. This has been a Walmart Beauty Box unboxing. Quarterly subscription, $5, free shipping. and you can personalize it to some extent, to a lot of extent, on their website. So y'all have a great day. Enjoy yourselves. Be safe. And love everybody. Peace.